Hello, my name is Ralph. I'm a paramedic instructor here at Orlando Medical Institute, and today we're going to be showing you Laerdal's Sim Mom and simulating a birth.
Okay, what we have is an OB kit that has all of our required equipment for it. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to take it over to the bed, and I'm going to set it up like for an actual birth in preparation for delivering the baby. The OB kit comes with 2 clamps for the umbilical cord. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to partially open these because I want to still try and keep these sterile. So I'm just going to open the package, but I'm not going to take them out quite yet. The OB kit also comes with a bulb syringe so I can clear the infant's airway after it's born. I'm going to get that ready. It also has a scalpel so I can cut the umbilical cord. Again, going to go ahead and open it up, but not take it out to keep it sterile. Okay, Mom, let's go ahead with your next contraction. I want you to go ahead and push. I want you to remember to breathe through your contractions, okay? All right, let's go ahead. Good job, Mom. All right, keep going. All right, keep going. Good job. Doing a good job, Mom. All right, go ahead, keep pushing. Push. Keep pushing. Okay, very good.
Push.
Okay. All right. Here we go. Here comes the head. As the head delivers. Okay, I'm going to support that head. All right. I'm going to check, make sure the umbilical cord is not wrapped around the baby. Clear the airway. Now we're going to go ahead and continue delivering the rest of the infant. Okay, keep pushing, Mom. All right. Now the baby is completely delivered. All right, I'm going to keep the baby level with Mom. All righty. And we're going to go ahead and look at the umbilical cord to make sure it stops pulsating. Once it stops pulsating, we're going to clamp the cord at 10 inches from the baby. When we clip it 10 inches, then we'll clip the second clamp 7 inches from the infant. Okay? And after we clip that, we'll go ahead and cut the cord. So at this point, we're going to transfer patient care of Mom over to another paramedic who is going to deliver the placenta of the baby, and I'm going to continue care with the infant. Okay, now that the baby has been delivered, other paramedics are taking care of that infant, and we're going to continue taking care of Mom. We're going to reassess her vital signs, and we're going to check for any excessive bleeding and help deliver the placenta. So as the placenta comes out of Mom, go ahead and keep pushing. I know a little bit of pressure. Go ahead and continue pushing. We're going to deliver this placenta, okay? All right. All right. It's important for me not to tug on it. Okay, now that I have that placenta out, we're going to put it into a red bio bag or a container to keep and transport with Mom.
We want to thank you for watching our video today, and we encourage you to check back on our channel for future videos. Sim Mom is just one of the many mannequins that we have here from Laerdal for our simulation purposes. The programs we offer here at Orlando Medical Institute are EMT, paramedic, nursing. We also offer ACLS, PALS, PHTLS, among many other programs. We encourage you to check our website, www.omi.edu, for more information on all of our courses.